It's recording.
Explain it. Alright. This is, what's it called? Wasabi. It's like an extremely hot horseradish. And let's just say right now it's gonna clear my sinuses. Okay? Wow.
Yeah. I almost didn't want to leave that freezer. Hey, where'd you get that? Freezer.
Your eyes are water.
That's water.
The end.